Hi, good day, sir. My name is Jaken Landungan, and for my final examination requirement, I developed and implemented a web-based CRUD application using the Django Web Framework. Sorry. The system I created is called Coffee Shop Manager, a product management web application designed to manage coffee items efficiently in a coffee shop setting. Today, I will present the system live demonstration of its CRUD functionalities. This application simulates how a coffee shop owner or staff can manage their coffee products inventory digitally instead of manually. The system allows users to add coffee products, view products listing, edit product details, and delete products from the database. The module defines structure of the database that includes such as coffee name, description, price, origin, stock, as well as the image itself. And then, now, I will demonstrate the CRUD functionalities. To create or add a new coffee product, let's click this Add New Coffee button. Then now, let's fill in these forms. The name, description, price, origin, stock, and as well as the image. First, the name of the coffee. Then let's add a description, then the price, then the origin, stack, and lastly the image. Then click save. Yeah, there we go. After submission, the new coffee product appears on the home page. Yeah, here. On the home page, all the coffee products displayed in a card format. Here. Each card shows coffee image, name, description, price, origin, and as well as the stocks. And also, to update a product, let's just edit, edit this one out, for example. Then let's say we're gonna edit the price here, and then, and as well as the stocks. Let's say 132, then we click save, and yeah, there we go. And yeah, click back to the list, and here is the price has been updated as well as the stocks. Mhm. Okay. Now for the delete function, let's try to delete this one here. You just click the delete button here, then we have here a confirmation to delete the product itself. If we if we click this yes delete information, there we go. It is all deleted. Once confirmed, the product is permanently removed from the database. This demonstrates the delete functionalities in our shop or app. So, in conclusion, I successfully developed and fully functional the Django CRUD web application that meets the final examination requirements. A system demonstrates create, read, update, and as well as delete operations. This project strengthens my understanding of web development using Django and give me a practical experience in building dynamics database-driven applications. That concludes my presentation of Coffee Shop Manager, the Django CRUD web application. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead. Bye.